Hello and welcome to Debt Free Dreams. Are you feeling like managing your money is more of a challenge than it should be? Or maybe you're just starting out and don't know where to begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're going to break down 5 simple steps on how to budget effectively, even if you've never created a budget before. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, getting out of debt, or just want to feel more in control of your money, these tips will help you get started. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Without goals, budgeting can feel aimless. Start by thinking about what's most important to you. Do you want to save for a vacation, pay off credit card debt, or build an emergency fund? Having specific goals gives you a purpose and helps you stay motivated. For example, let's say you're saving for a vacation. If you want to save $1,200 for a trip over the next 6 months, that's $200 a month. And it's much easier to break down into actionable steps. Once you have clear goals, budgeting will feel like a way to make your dreams happen. Step 2. Track your income and expenses. It might sound basic, but you need to know where your money is coming from and where it's going. The first step in creating a budget is to look at both your income, what you earn, and your expenses, what you spend. Start by listing all sources of income, your job, freelance work, side gigs, etc. Then, make a list of all your monthly expenses, rent, utilities, groceries, subscriptions, etc. Be as detailed as possible. If you're not sure where your money goes, start by reviewing your bank statements or credit card bills to spot recurring expenses. For some, this step can be eye-opening, especially when you realize how small purchases like daily coffee or streaming services can add up over time. Step 3. Create a simple budget plan. Once you know your income and expenses, it's time to plan how you want to allocate your money. A simple and effective method is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes toward necessities, things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes toward wants, entertainment, dining out, hobbies, and non-essential spending. 20% goes to savings or paying off debt. This can be used to build your emergency fund, contribute to your retirement, or tackle credit card bills. Using this rule, if your monthly income is $3,000, here's what your budget might look like: $1,500 for necessities, $900 for wants, $600 for savings or debt repayment. By dividing your income this way, you create a balance that ensures your basic needs are covered, while also allowing room for fun and saving for the future. Step 4. Cut unnecessary spending. This is where the magic happens. You don't have to eliminate everything you enjoy, but cutting out unnecessary expenses can free up money for savings or paying off debt. Start with subscriptions. Maybe you're paying for services like Netflix, Spotify, or a gym membership you rarely use. Cancel the ones you don't need or use. Consider switching to a less expensive phone plan or grocery shopping more efficiently to cut food costs. Small changes can add up. For example, let's say you spend $10 a day on lunch. That's $300 a month. If you bring lunch from home, you could save that entire amount and put it toward your savings or debt. Even the small stuff adds up, so be mindful of how and where you're spending. Step 5. Stick to your budget and adjust as needed. The key to budgeting success is consistency, but flexibility is just as important. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes expenses will pop up that you weren't expecting. Let's say you planned to save $600 this month, but your car broke down, and you had to spend $400 on repairs. Don't panic, just adjust your budget to accommodate the unexpected expense. Maybe you reduce your wants category by $200 or extend your timeline for reaching your savings goal. Don't get discouraged if you slip up, it happens to everyone. The important thing is to stay committed and get back on track as soon as possible. Small changes today lead to big results over time. So there you have it, budgeting made simple. Remember, the most important things are setting clear financial goals, tracking your spending, and sticking to your plan. By following these 5 steps, you can take control of your finances and start building the life you want. Budgeting might feel like a challenge at first, but with consistency and a little planning, you'll start seeing the results. Thanks for watching Debt Free Dreams, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with more tips like these. Also, leave a comment below. What's the hardest part of budgeting for you? I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you might have.